not. So, and I wouldn't even say it except for the fact that I've been banished. And I couldn't leave without telling you what a great artist I thought you were. Cardamom.
Cardamom? Please don't call me by that name.
No, I use that name with great honor, ma'am. I don't think I'll ever forget the performance of Glastonbury in '92. What a performance! What a triumph! You took 7 curtain calls.
8.
Yeah, yes. Well, do you happen to remember a little boy in the second row that stood up and yelled bravo that night?
Yes.
I was that boy.
I can't believe it.
Yes, well, now I'm in show business too, and I would just like to tell you that it was your inspiration that brought this about.
You must belong to the guild. Camelot Local 714. To think that someone remembers those days. Oh, and some minstrel for you.
Thank you, but really, I should be going. You're probably busy with the test for later anyway.
No, stay a while. That's all right. The test is all taken care of.
I don't suppose you could tell an old guild brother what it is.
Well, I'm sort of under oath.
I understand. Well, the queen won't like it if she knows I'm still around anyway, so I better go.
No. Here, have a seat. This is between us.
I really shouldn't.
No, wait a minute. May I borrow, a handkerchief?
I don't have a handkerchief.
Some people think my act is pretty foul.
Cardamom was great.
I bet you can't guess what the test is about.
Astronomy?
No, you will never, ever, ever guess. Sensitivity.
Cardamom the Great.
Cardamom the Great test. Now, I should tell you the rest. No, I shouldn't.
I'll go. May I ask you one favor? May I have this?
What do you want with that?
A memento of the good old days, my dear father.
Keep it.
Thank you.
Jester!
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
That was a great thing you just did for that girl, Cardamom.
Well, it is for her father's sake.
Say, I don't actually have to get out of here till daybreak. So why don't we go down to the wine cellar, split a bottle, and talk some more about, talk some more.
Fine, but I've started something here that I must finish. Go ahead and I'll join you in 2 seconds.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Now, Bertie, sing. Stop. I brought you here to put a live princess to sleep, not wake a dead one. Now, Bertie, let's have a lullaby, nice and soft.